Good morning and happy Monday, everybody. I hope you had an amazing break, Thanksgiving break. So today's an asynchronous day, and what you're going to be doing is looking at sentence fragments. As I've reviewed your assignments, I'm still noticing a number of errors that are consistently reoccurring. So to help you correct this, you're required to complete this assignment for today. We have to get these sentence fragments corrected before you graduate. So first, what you're going to do is read through the following PowerPoint to review, or for some of you relearn, how to recognize and fix sentence fragments. So this will be the PowerPoint, but be sure to work through all the practice sentences and review slides so you're prepared to take your quiz. Click on this link to write your own answers. So let's just visit this for a moment. First, you're going to look at these slides. They will download at the left of your screen. And the slides, of course, are, for this PowerPoint, what is a sentence fragment? So this is going to give you all the information and training that you need to, and instruction you need to know about sentence fragments, okay? But as you go along, you're going to notice that there are some practice activities, all right? So for these practice activities, and the ones that I found important, these are the ones that I've included here for you to write your answers. You are only required to write the answers for the slides listed on the Google document. So when you open this, it will force you to make your own copy. And you'll see right here, while looking at the sentence fragments PowerPoint, use this document to write on your own and practice answers. The slide numbers are listed for the answers that need to be completed. So, what is a sentence fragment? You're going to go to slide 15. So on slide 15, this is on your own, and this is what you're going to write the answers for. So read the directions and then make sure you put your answers on, to these questions on this document, okay? Then you're going to continue reading from slide 15 all the way until you get down to the next portion where you have to write your answers, which is slide number 23. So, which is correcting sentence fragments or phrase fragments. So here you're going to practice, make each phrase fragment part of a complete sentence, adding commas where needed. So you're going to look at this sentence, add the commas where they are needed in each sentence according to what you've learned. And then you're going to write your answers here. Then you go on to the next one, which is slide 28. After you've read all the way through to slide 28, it tells you to rewrite the following paragraph to correct phrase fragments. Change capitalization and punctuation wherever necessary. Does that sound familiar? A lot of you still begin your sentences with lowercase letters, and you are not using punctuation capitalization. So you will continue writing the sentence or the paragraph, and you will do that here. And you will go on to slide 39 and then finally 42 and slide 44, where there will be 2 review sections. Okay? Thank you so much. Have this turned in and completed by the end of the day. And have an amazing, amazing first day back after break. See you tomorrow.